Flash weight. Hindi. One lang yan.
2 points.
Ito lang. Ay, ito yun, yung isa pang black. Two rin, 2 points.
2 points.
4-0.
Score 4-0. Still by Bosby. Pass to Quintos. Wala, rebound by. 2 points.
Nakabutas yun.
Score 6-0. 9 minutes exacto. Taking 3. Wala, rebound by. Wearing white t-shirt. Pass to white t-shirt. Taking 2 points. Wala. Taking 2. Rebound by. Pass to Wembanyawa. Wala. Rebound by Wembanyawa. Wala ulit. Rebound by number 11. Tumira. Rebound by black shirt. Pass to outside.
Itong muna ka-white na yun. Yung 0. Banwa yun.
8 minutes and 10 seconds. Wembanyawa. Pass to wearing black shirt. 8 minutes exacto. Score 6-0. Quinto. Pass to Wemby. Taking 2. Rebound by. Out of bounds. Same ball. 7 minutes and 40 seconds. Taking 3. Junicio taking 3. Rebound by Bosby. Pass to Junicio. Pass to Wemby. Wemby pass to wearing black shirt. Easy 2 points. Score 8-0 in favor of Team Bosby. 7 minutes and 20 seconds. Wala, rebound by. Wearing black shirt, pass to Benoy. Lay up, easy 2 points. 10-0. 7 minutes and 5 seconds. 7 minutes exacto. Out of bounds. Wearing to black shirt. Side step. Pass to Dionisio. Taking 3. Bam! 3 points by Dionisio. 13-0. 13-0. Number 11. Still by Benoy. Pass to Wemby. Still by number 24. Number 24 to Eliscate. Pass to color blue. 2 points. Score 13-2. Wala, rebound by number 24. 6 minutes and 40 seconds. Pass to wearing white shirt. Wala, rebound by black shirt. Pass to number 13. Number 13. Tapos easy 2 points by number Wemby. 15-2. Pass to number 24. Pinasa kay Blue. 2 points by Idol. Score 4-15. Easy 2 points by Quinto. 17-4. Pass to rebound by Black. Binababa. Then try Quintos again. Still by number 24. Binababa. 5 minutes and 40. Easy 2 points by White. 17-6. Five minutes and 20 seconds. 2 points. Last shot before change. Pass to number 11. Taking 2 points. Change. Score 8-19 in favor of Team Benoy.
Palit mo na.
2 points. 2 points. 21-8. 4 minutes and 34 seconds. Dumidiskarte. Pinasa kay number 11. Taking 3 points. Bang! 3 points by number 11. 11-21. 10-point lead. Pass to Benoy. Pass to Pintos. Ribbon by. Sa kanya pa rin. Pass to Benoy. Easy 2 points by Benoy. 23-11. 4 minutes eksakto. Hoy. Good ba yun? Good daw. 2 points. 3 minutes and 50 seconds. 25-11. Pass to number 24. Easy 2 points by number 24. 25-13. 27-13. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Taking 3 again. Wala, limang by. Wearing black shirt. Pass to Judisio. Dumidiskarte. Pass to Wemby. Wala. Pass to Quintos. Wala pa rin. Pass to Wemby. Pass to Benoy. Taking 3. Wala, limang by.
Pangalan niyo?
Sir Robbie. Wala. 3 minutes eksakto. 27-13. Taking 2. Wala, may babae. Wearing black shirt. Pass to Benoy. Easy 2 points by Benoy. 29-30. 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Pass to number 24. Pass to Sir Robbie. Easy 2 points. 15-29. 2 minutes and 25 seconds. 31-15. 16-point lead. Still by wearing black shirt. Pass to Benoy. Benoy, pass to Quintos. Pass to Wemby. Wala, ribbon by. Ribbon by number 24. Last 2 minutes. 2 points. 17-31 in favor of Team Benoy. 1 minute and 45 seconds. Benoy taking 2. 33-17 in favor of Team Benoy.
Sir, lang kayo, sir. 5 sa akin.
Number 11, Pasu, wearing white shirt, pass to 24, taking 3. Ribbon by, white shirt, pass to number 11. Wala, ribbon by. Good. Junicio, binababa. 1 minute and 15 seconds. Wala, ribbon by number 24. Pass to number 11. Number 11. Taking 3. Wala, ribbon by. Sir Levy. Sir Levy.
Robbie.
Robbie. Wala, ribbon by. Number black shirt. $40 seconds na lang po. Easy 2 points. 35-17. Last 35 seconds. Easy 2 points. 1935. 30 seconds. 37. Shot clock off. Last 20 seconds. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 21:37. 5 seconds. Panalo, Team Benoy. Boss B. Ikaw naman dito. Sir Rob, kayo pa rin.
Sir Pat, kayo naman, Sir Pat. Low, low, low. Low, low, sound, sound. Check. Low, low, sound, sound.
Sino kalaban nila?
Sino, Sir Pat?
Tsaka sino?
Sir, palagay nga ako sa'yo. Ay,
Sino siya? Sa team C sila, no? Sino yung kalaban nila?
Kasi like TV kanina.
Roy, palagay nga ako saglit.
Kasi yung battle.
Ito ang gamit ko.
David lang pa ano nga. Mawala ng lasing sa akin.
Low, low, sound, sound. Team A versus
Boss.
Team C.
Sa team C, palagay na rin ng number. Okay ako anong kunin ng suot.
Ah, joke ka tayo ni Mikey ah.
Pupunta na daw.
Ah, okay na.